here, and down. So we're doing the Sarmas drills with Grandmaster Clemix here in the Alegria Beach Resort, Siargao, Philippines, Siargao Island. So we're doing the salob or sneaking drills, then at the same time disarming techniques. So I feed with the right hand, he will block and apply the salob. 1, 2. Salob is the temporary trying to control the stick. So it's not for a long time, but just to delay and delay the strikes and the movements. So now he controlled my right hand. Then I will deliver a overhead attack. Then he will apply disarming techniques. So this is a salob followed by disarming techniques. So I attack, he apply the salob, then I attack with the left hand and he disarm it. Okay, so we will try to do it in reverse. So first he's going to disarm my attack, then second he applied the salob. So I attack with the left, he's going to disarm my left hand attack. Now I deliver attack with the right, then he apply a salob. So one more time, disarm with the left and salob. And remember guys, this is 12 techniques in disarming techniques, so a lot of drills. So for next year I'll be having a Desarmas bootcamp in Coron, Palawan. So I'm inviting you to join me in Coron, Palawan next year, Desarmas bootcamp. So one more time, here I attack left hand, he disarm the stick on the left side. When I attack with the right hand, he apply the salob with this right hand. But if I'm going to attack with the right, he can also disarm the right hand this way. If I attack with the left, he can apply salob. So it doesn't matter which hand is going to attack first, the right hand or the left hand. And of course, he can disarm both. So first he disarm with the right, my right hand, disarm, then apply salob. Yeah. Salob. Now if I manage to remove my left hand, I attack, he can apply disarm. So in that way you can do that as well. So see you next year in Coron, Palawan. Here with me, Grandmaster Clemens Melek and